Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states that a woman gave his son a garden for life in Medina Munawwara. Later that son and that woman expired. That son had issues and brothers who were sons of that woman. That woman's progeny said, "That garden has returned to us." The son of that boy, the recipient, said, "No, this garden belongs to our father in his life and after his death." They then took their case to Tariq, a slave manumitted by Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu. He sent for Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu, and he testified that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "This garden belongs to him whom it has been given for life." Tariq gave the decree in accordance with it. He then wrote to Abdul Malik and notified him of it and apprised him of Hazrat Jabir's witness. Abdul Malik said, "Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu spoke the truth, and this garden is still in the possession of that boy's progeny." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4174.